once they're both finished. And I absolutely love these. I think they both turned out so cute. Considering that I was kind of rushing these because I wanted to get this video done on time. I think they turned out just so good in the end. And as you can see, this one here, which I made in this tutorial, it turned out a little bit bigger compared to the second one that I made, which was not intentional. But yeah, it's completely up to you, like what size you want to make yours. And also you can write on whatever message you want on yours as well. You don't have to use fine liner either. You can paint on the letters if you can paint letters that small. These are both really soft and also quite slow rising. And I was originally planning to put these on my Etsy once this video is uploaded, but now since it is, well, a lot closer now to Valentine's Day, I'm literally uploading this the day before Valentine's Day, I decided that I will just keep these for now. And then maybe next year, if I remember, I might put these up for sale just a little bit earlier. So that way, if anyone wants these for Valentine's Day, they can hopefully get them in time. So they're not going to go on there for now since like Valentine's Day is literally tomorrow. So yeah. And here's the other one. It says call me. Sorry about the glue on my fingers. But yeah, both super soft and squishy and also really fun to squish. They just kind of remind me of gummy bears in a way, except they're not like as tiny as gummy bears. I just absolutely love the faces on them. So yeah, you can make yours whatever colours you want and also whatever size you want, and also you can add whatever message you want as well, or you can personalise it to someone that you love. And yep, that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you all have a very lovely Valentine's Day. And I love you all so much. And also, please subscribe to my channel and click thumbs up on this video. It would mean so much to me. Also, my Etsy and Instagram are linked in the description box below as always. So please go and check those out if you are interested. And don't forget, from my previous video, if you've watched it, I also now have a Valentine's Day themed dragon squishy on my Etsy as well. So if you want that, please go and check out my Etsy. I know I say that a lot. But yeah, really hope you enjoyed this one. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.